Hi there, I'm Esther Shepherd and I am presenting our little pulled chicken meal solution for an easy appetizer for game day, and it's super simple. I fix this pulled chicken in the Instant Pot, so it's really fast and easy to fix, and once it's done you have it and all we have to do is shred it and it's ready to go for sliders or nachos or tacos. I mean, you can do just about anything with this meal solution. But what I'm gonna do is just show you super quick, just pouring in this meal solution into our 4-cup prep bowl. And I already pre-measured into our 1-cup prep bowls some brown sugar, apple cider vinegar. It calls for any kind of vinegar that you want to use, but I like the apple cider vinegar. Have that. And also some ketchup. Already. And then I have the mini whisk that I'm using to just mix this sauce up. Super quick. And already put in like a 3-pound bag of frozen chicken breasts into my Instant Pot. I'm just pouring this sauce all into it. And so it's poured in there. Setting my Instant Pot to pressure cook for 10 minutes. And it should start going. And honestly, when it's done, I just let it sit. And then in a couple of hours after it's depressurized, naturally, I will shred it with our meat masher shredder thing. I can't even remember what it's called, meat grinder, I have no idea. But anyway, it's also with Epicure and it's very helpful to have that tool around as well. So I hope to catch you in just a little while and it'll be done.